The journey from Boundary, and now we are on our way to Bale. Subscribe and like at Itafaji TV. We are on our way to Balance Road. Don't forget, we started the journey from Boundary. Route to Bale. Ajeromi now. So this is Ajeromi local government. So don't forget, this is still the same route to from Boundary to Alaba. From Boundary to Alaba, just past the Bale. We just got to Agausa bus stop. We just got to Agausa bus stop. I would like to show you the street of Agausa. How it looks like. This is Agausa Street. This is Agausa Street. From Boundary to Alaba, just past the Bale. We just got to Agausa bus stop. We just got to Agausa bus stop. I would like to show you the street of Agausa. How it looks like. This is Agausa Street. This is Agausa Street. So this is Agausa Street. So don't forget to like and subscribe at Itafaji TV. So I'm taking you back to the track to Alaba. And now we just got to Babani Street. Babani Street. This is Babani Street. Still on the same route to Alaba. This is Babani Street. This is Babani Street. So we just got to Cemetery Market. Cemetery Market. This is Cemetery Market. Okoya Bridge. This is Okoya's bridge. So just sit down and relax. And this is Okoya bus stop. This is Okoya bus stop. Now we are heading to Ojo Road. We are heading to Ojo Road. We are heading to Ojo Road. Don't forget to like and subscribe. At Itafaji TV. Relax and watch. Don't forget, I took you the journey from Boundary, Vale, Cemetery, Agausa, and now we are at Ojo Road. Now we are heading to Ojo Road. We are heading to Ojo Road. Road. Don't forget to like and subscribe. At Itafaji TV. Feel relaxed and watch. Don't forget, I took you the journey from Boundary, Vale, Cemetery, Agausa, and now we are at Ojo Road. Let's go to 7 Up. Let's go to 7 Up. Okay, this is bus stop. This is bus stop. Let's go to bus stop now. Don't forget to like and share. Nevertheless, don't forget to like and share at Itafaji TV. So, for those of you that watched the last video, this is Tolu Medical Center. Now, this hospital has been for decades. Bus stop. You just got to the Ture bus stop now. Just got to the Ture bus stop. And this is Alao bus stop. This is Alaba bus stop. So, for those of you that watched the last video, this is Tolu Medical Center. Now this hospital has been for decades. Bus stop. We just got to the Sure bus stop now. Just got to the Sure bus stop. And this is This is Alao bus stop. This is Alao bus stop. So I'll be taking you into Alao Street. So, this is Alao Street. This is how Alao Street looks like. It's a really busy one. Alao Street. So nevertheless, don't forget, we are still going to Alaba. Lion. We just got to Lion, and this is Ajegunle. So this is Owoyemi bus stop. This is Owoyemi bus stop. So we are at Ojo Road. Okay, we are at Suru bus stop. This is Alaba Ojo Suru bus stop, right? So this is Ojo Alaba Suru bus stop. So just feel relaxed and enjoy. Just got to the final destination, Alaba. This is how Alaba looks like. Alaba, we just got to Alaba. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe at Itafaji TV. We bring to you the best TV description. However, please like, share, comment. I love you guys so well. We just got to Alaba, and this is how Alaba looks like. This is Alaba. This is Alaba Ojo Road. This is Alaba Ojo Road. This is Alaba Ojo Road.